morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, November 18th, 2020. It's a C day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for our owl pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my owl pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Yesterday, we had scholars working so very hard in second grade math in Miss Mercado's class. Great job, scholars. I saw you using Pear Deck and showing your work. I also saw scholars in 5th grade science and ELA class. Nice job using Pear Deck to be able to show the things you know and be able to describe and inference your answers. Last but not least, I saw you amazing writers in Miss Cerna's writing class doing an amazing job, along with those kinder scholars in Miss Tovar's class. You are all working very hard, and I appreciate it. Now don't forget, this week's Anti-Bully Week. So today, you should be wearing your most unique socks. I know I have on some Valentine heart socks. So, today is a great day to learn. Have a great day.